The interior of this train may give you a feel that I am on board a Vande Bharat train, but this is the Amrit Bharat train that the Indian Railway is launching for the sleeper and unreserved class category.
With orange and grey color used, the interior of the Amrit Bharat train resembles the interior of the Vande Bharat sleeper that is currently under trial. The Amrit Bharat train was first introduced in December 2023 from Ayodhya. It is the latest in the series of new trains being introduced by the Railway Ministry. The first two trains operated between Darbhanga and Delhi and Malda and Bangalore since January 2024. The trains had 12 sleeper class coaches and 8 general class coaches. The ministry decided to upgrade the Amrit Bharat train based on the learning from 1 year of operations. The version 2.0 of the train will have 22 coaches. The train has a speed potential of 130 km per hour. The train has foldable snack table, mobile holder, foldable bottle holder, improved seat and berths. Each passenger will have a dedicated mobile charging slot. Each coach has two Indian style toilet and two Western style toilets with automatic hygiene order control system. One Divyangjan toilet in sleeper coach, toilet indication light, public address system and passenger information system have also been installed in the train. Improved screwless interior paneling with aluminium composite panel is also placed in the coaches. Just like Vande Bharat train, there is an emergency talkback system even in the general coach where passenger can contact the loco pilot in case of an emergency. The train also has an external emergency light to deal with unwanted situations. Currently, one coach of each, the sleeper and the general class, have been designed and work will be completed in the coming months. Union Minister Ashwani Vaishnav has inspected these coaches at the ICF Chennai.
अमृत भारत ट्रेन्स जो हमारे कम इनकम लोअर मिडिल क्लास फैमिलीज हैं उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी एक सुविधा है। इसमें एक बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी की सर्विस, अच्छी क्वालिटी की फैसिलिटीज़ बनाई गई है। 1 साल का अनुभव हुआ है और साथ ही साथ वंदे स्लीपर का भी डेवलपमेंट हुआ इस बीच में। तो वंदे स्लीपर और अमृत भारत के 1 साल के अनुभव के आधार पर अमृत भारत 2.0 डेवलप की गई है। इसमें बहुत सारे नए फीचर्स लाए गए। आपने देखा होगा सेमी ऑटोमेटिक कपलर्स हैं। अमृत भारत ट्रेन इज डिजाइन सो दैट द poorest of the poor families can travel in good comfort over long distances. Based on the experience of Vande Sleeper and the first version of Amrit Bharat, the Amrit Bharat 2.0 has been designed. We are sitting in a general coach right now. General coach is having features which are very comfortable. Look at the seats. Every seat has been provided a lumbar support, right? You remember old time the seats used to be flat. Now there is a lumbar support. This window is totally new design. Window design is totally new. Then there are chargers. There is a mobile phone holder. Bottle. Everything is totally newly designed. Toilets are very good, well designed now. And there is a good enclosed vestibule connecting the two coaches. So this is a totally new concept.
This addition to Indian Railway will make luxury and comfortable travel affordable to people who find AC class coaches financially out of reach.
The second version of the Amrit Bharat train is currently under production at the ICF coach factory in Chennai. It is expected that soon these trains will be rolled out for the common man to enjoy and enhance train travel. Thank you.